Wednesday Addams is back at Nevermore Academy. After the chaos of Crackstone's fall in Season 1, you might think peace would follow, but peace and Wednesday have never gone hand in hand. From the very start, the shadows feel heavier, the halls colder, and the secrets much darker. She's no longer just the strange new girl at school. Now she's a legend, a mystery everyone whispers about. Some admire her, some fear her, but Wednesday, as always, couldn't care less. What does catch her attention, however, are the visions that begin to plague her again. Visions of blood, of death, of her friends in danger. And worst of all, she sees Enid, her bright, loyal roommate, lying lifeless. Is this just a cruel trick of her psychic powers, or is Wednesday fated to be the cause of her friend's doom? But Wednesday won't face this season alone. For the first time, her younger brother Pugsley joins Nevermore. At first, he is the same awkward, timid boy we remember, but soon something begins to change. Pugsley starts to display strange powers, electrokinesis, the ability to control electricity, a dangerous gift that he seems to have inherited from Uncle Fester. Suddenly, he's no longer just the bullied Addams sibling. He's part of the storm that's about to unfold. And storms are coming quickly. Beneath the mysterious skull tree, the students uncover something chilling. A strange boy, buried and resurrected, kept alive by a mechanical heart. They call him Slurp. He isn't fully alive, but he isn't dead either. Is he friend or foe? A victim of cruel experiments, or a weapon waiting to be unleashed? At the same time, whispers spread about a forgotten project, one that haunts Nevermore's history. LOIS, the Long-Term Outcast Integration Study. Once thought abandoned, this program kidnapped outcasts, faked their deaths, and turned them into subjects of inhuman experiments. The trail leads to Willow Hill Psychiatric Center, a place filled with shadows, where more than just secrets are being kept. People start disappearing, and bodies begin to fall. The killer? A faceless figure who commands flocks of crows and ravens to strike with deadly precision. Anyone who digs too deep, anyone who dares to uncover the truth, is marked for death. And yet, Wednesday refuses to back down. The deeper she digs, the darker the mystery becomes, and the more dangerous her own powers grow. Her visions twist and break her, leaving black tears running down her face. Each glimpse of the future makes her question whether she is solving the mystery or becoming part of it. The more she tries to protect Enid, the more convinced she becomes that she might actually be the reason her friend is destined to die. By the end of the first half of the season, the pieces are scattered across the board. A brother discovering strange new powers, a resurrected boy with a mechanical heart, a secret government program hidden in the shadows, and a killer who strikes from the skies. And at the center of it all, Wednesday Addams, haunted by visions, hunted by secrets, and unsure if she can even trust herself. But this is only the beginning, because in the second half of the season, betrayal will strike closer than ever, transformations will shake Nevermore to its core, and a shocking family secret will rise from the grave. The dead will return, the living will suffer, and Wednesday will discover that the greatest threat may not come from her enemies at all, but from her own blood. Stay with us for part 2 of Wednesday Season 2, where the dead will rise, the living will suffer, and nothing, not even blood, can be trusted.